One of the most incredible creatures ever to be discovered is the tardigrade. These strange little critters are also known more commonly as water bears, and they are water-dwelling 8-legged micro-animals that range from 0.3mm to 0.5mm in size. They were first discovered back in 1773 by German pastor Johann August Ephraim Goeze, and their name tardigrade actually means slow steppers. But what makes the tardigrade so incredible is that they are known for being one of the most durable organisms on the planet. Looking at them, you wouldn't think much of their plump bodies, but incredibly they have been found in all different types of environments, from blistering mountaintops to tropical rainforests and even the icy plains of the Antarctic. But the most fascinating trait of the tardigrade is that they are able to survive extreme conditions that would be fatal to nearly all other known life forms. Many scientific tests have been conducted on the water bears to try and find out how strong they really are, and the results have been mind-blowing. For example, they can withstand 1,000 times more ionising radiation than an average human being, pressures about 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches, and even the unrelenting sub-zero temperatures, solar winds and oxygen-deprived vacuum of space. Researchers have even discovered that water bears can survive in temperatures as high as 151 degrees Celsius for a few minutes, and as low as -200 degrees Celsius for days on end. How this incredible creature can survive in these kinds of situations is still not fully understood. But scientists have found that when an environment becomes too hard to exist within, the water bears will curl up into a small ball, shed all of the water in their bodies, and enter into a deep state of suspended animation that closely resembles death. Its metabolism slows to 0.01% of its normal rate, and it can stay within this state for decades. 30 years ago, researchers froze 2 water bears, and in 2016 they were defrosted. Amazingly, one of them survived, and after its reanimation, the creature laid 19 eggs, from which 14 successfully hatched. But although these tiny little creatures seem to have superpowers when it comes to surviving all kinds of different horrible situations, they are not actually considered to be extremophiles. This is because their chances of dying actually increases the longer they are exposed to these types of extreme environments, whereas true extremophiles thrive in the environments that would harm most other organisms. But their highly resistant traits are still one of the most incredible found anywhere on this strange planet we call home. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit that like button and subscribe for much more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.